How to send WhatsApp messages from Excel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Excel. Create cell with name, mobile number. Then, in the another cell, click on $, bracket, https hyphen 2 slash wa.me slash comma and B4 comma A4. After you do that, you can close the bracket and press on enter. It will add name. After that, it will lead you to WhatsApp and you can send message from here. And this is how to send WhatsApp message from Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.